Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is ALGHANI KHAIRA AKIELA. I'm here to make a video presentation about general anatomy. So let's get into it. So here's the first, it is general anatomy. I'm gonna make a video presentation about this, and we're moving on to what is general anatomy. General anatomy or anatomy is the study, classification, and the description of the structure and organs of the human body, whereas physiology deals with the process and functions of the body or how body parts work. Also, in the living subject, it is almost impossible to study anatomy without also studying some physiology. However, radiographic study of the human body is the primarily a study of the anatomy of the various systems with less emphasis on the physiology. Consequently, anatomy of the human system is emphasized in this radiographic anatomy and positioning textbook. Next, we have structural organization. In this structural organizations, we have five parts, which is cells, tissues, organs, system, and organism. I'm sorry, cells, tissues, organs, system, and organism. The first we have cells. What is cells? The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living tissue. More, more explanation that every single part of the body, whether muscle, bone, cartilage, fat, nerve, skin, or blood, is composed of cells. The next we have organs. When complex assembles of tissues are joined to perform a specific function, the result is an organ. Organs usually have a specific shape. Examples of organs of the human body are the kidneys, heart, liver, lungs, stomach, and brain. And next we have system. The urinary system is also part of this example of our system. But a system consists of a group or an association of organs that have a similar or common function. Just like what I told you guys, the urinary system consisting of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra is an example of a body system. The total body comprises 10 individual body systems. Here we have tissues. Tissues are cohesive groups of singular cells that, together with their intercellular material, perform a specific function. The four basic types of tissue are as follows. First, epithelial. What is epithelial? Epithelial is part of tissues that cover internal and external surfaces of the body, including the lining, vessels, and organs, such as the stomach and the intestine. Second of all, we have connective, supportive tissues that bind together and support various structures. And then we have muscular tissues that make up the substance of a muscle. The last is nervous. Nervous is tissues that make up the substance of nerves and nerve center. And the last we have organism. Organism is the 10 systems of the body when functioning together make up the total organism one living being. In another explanation, an organism is a living being that has a cellular structure and that can independently perform all physiologic functions necessary for life. In multicellular organisms, including humans, all cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems of the body work together to maintain the life and health of the organism. think that's all about my presentation. I'm sorry if I have some words that are wrong or mistaken. If I mistake, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.